I'm not sure many will appreciate this little detail, but if you do, if you know the episode Donald's Duck, you know who we're talking about today and who's sitting in his tender. I love that little detail. I got this resin printed for me from Tom T. Legend on Twitter, and I think it's a really nice little touch, and it just adds to the kind of the character of Donald. So let's start him up.
Leave it to me.
As you see, he's nice and loud. And I bet you I can do this. And he won't shut down on me. Excellent. The beauty of a keep alive. So we're a minute in. Welcome back to day 9 of the December of DCC. Today we're looking at Donald the Scottish Twin. Donald is fitted with an ESU 58823 version 5 microdecoder, an ESU power pack. I don't remember the part number, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere. And a 28mm speaker with a custom 3D printed enclosure inside the tender. His tender is a little light now because I had to take the weight out, but he still tracks really well. He's got some great little phrases, some whistle sounds.
You're a muckle nuisance. I'm sorry, sir.
I think one of my best loops ever. I'm super proud of this one.
Leave it to me.
Oops. I accidentally hit the bell. It also has music by Sudrian Afro. And let's get him running. I believe he also has the 20th season theme and, of course, Donald's Duck. Alright. You can also press F8 and his sound will fade away. So you don't have to listen to that the whole time. So Douglas was a pretty moderate install, I'd say. I had to drill some holes in his tender and in his cab to be able to run the wires. One thing I did on Donald and Douglas, which I have also originally had done on other engines like Emily, was I made a custom connection between loco and tender. I'm not too happy with the way this looks, so eventually I'd like to swap it out with something a little bit smaller, but I needed the wire length just to make sure I had enough room in both from both ends, essentially. So Donald and Douglas are the same. They both have that connector. Emily did. It caused lots of issues, so I eventually invested in some smaller connections. Emily was the last sound install I did, I believe, other than, well, steam engine wise. So these aren't perfect. I wouldn't recommend doing this. If you find some better header pins, it'd be great, but these ones were just too big for this application. So anyways, that's it for Donald. Pretty nice. I bet you if I unmuted him, he's still playing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And I'll see you all tomorrow for the twin.